the daily speed, which I do like 25 or something like that, but it can go up to 45.
Dang.
Speed limiter on this side, and we just added a smaller screw.
Yeah, that's good, because you can do a lot to these things. I don't know much about them, but I'm pretty sure you can do a lot.
My friend has a stage 5 or something like that on his.
Dang.
But I need to wash it later.
Yeah, that's what I did in mine. Put that wax stuff on there so it can stay
shiny.
brand new.
Looks more shiny.
It does. It does.
What is that, like a glitter blue?
Yep, like a glitter blue. Like a glitter.
Well, then what are we doing? What are we waiting for?
Oh, I was waiting on you. My cable's about to snap off. My cable's about to snap off. Turn around. Set. That boy's over there. Set. Can't ride in dirt. Oh, I'm gonna get my bike dirty. He's swinging it. Dang. Right on. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh. Oh, you stuck. Stuck it. Stuck.
Like too used to it, I'll think it's getting too slow for me.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. If you sell it, I'll buy it for my son.
You would buy it for him?
Yeah, he's 1 year. He's 1.5, but he'll learn how to ride it.
The owner's son said the youngest that he ever saw ride this was a 5-year-old.
Dang, that's hella
So
dope.
your son might be the first 1-year-old.
Right, huh?
Maybe.
Put him on top of there and let him go. Because I put him on this one when we ride, but not too fast. We just cruise and stuff like that.
Can I try that one?
Yeah, you can try it. You want to go down? Oh, he's riding it. 8 years old. He stopped me. He said, "Hey, man, can't he?" I was like, "Man," because I was on my way in the car coming back from somewhere, and I seen somebody on a mini bike. And then I try to find him, so I hear the sound, and I seen him rolling down the hill over there. And he was like, "Yeah, you want to ride?" My buddy's got mini bikes too. Oh, they swinging it. Been action. Hey, he's swinging that thing. Look, he's gonna call police. He even got the blue helmet to match it. Yep. The brakes are kind of tight, huh? The brakes, they don't work so good. You can hit the kill switch. How you like it?
It's good. It's pretty bad.
Yeah, I have to.
When I barely pulled it, like
It started to go, huh?
Yeah. Wait. Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, it still goes.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, it still goes all the way down.
Oh, did you see that red Mustang, the dark red Mustang?
Yep.
That's one of my cousin's friends.
He was doing donuts.
Yeah, I don't really mind him. He's one of my cousin's friends. The only thing that I'm scared of is that he has a gun on him all the time.
For real?
Uh-huh. A gun on one of the janitors over here.
For real? What'd they do? The police came?
Huh?
The police came?
Yeah. He almost got arrested, but I think he ran.
He got away, huh? In that Mustang, too fast.
He said it has